Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add and use multiple Instagram accounts through the same app. But before we get started with the video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get right into the video. So you can now use multiple accounts to the same Instagram app. Instagram lets you switch between the apps, and very easy. You will not have to use your password and type in your username and password each and every time you're logging in. You don't have to log out. The switch is really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you'll open up the Instagram app, and then what you'll do is you'll go to your profile and then click on the triple horizontal bars, and then on settings. If you scroll down, here you have the add account option just right above logout. So you'll click on add account. Then if you're creating a new account, you'll create a new account, and if you're logging into an existing account, you'll click on this. Then you click on switch accounts. You'll enter your username and password and log into your account. So here I've logged into another account. Now if I go back here and triple horizontal bar settings, and I scroll down, here I can switch accounts. So to switch, it's really easy. I'll have to double tap this profile icon here real quick. And now I'm switched to another account, and I will not have to re-enter my password or username. So making the switch between these accounts is very easy. You can also add a third account, and all you can do to switch is just double tap again and again, and you'll be switched into your second account and then your third account. So making the switch is very easy. As you can see, you can do this. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned it. It's very easy to make the switch and use multiple accounts on Instagram. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like down below if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.